Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in this lesson we're going to learn a number of things. Number one is how to install the Facebook Pixel in your website, how to install the Google Analytics on your website, and how you can add a perfect Facebook ad that will bring you the highest amount of traffic for a very low price, and you can actually sell those traffic to Google AdSense and make tons of money. So I have a number of clients. They're making from 50 to 100%. No question asked. I even have one client who's from Brazil, and he put like $10 on a Facebook ad, and he was making 60 to $80. Not every day. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Not every day, but some days. But every day, his account was making 50 to 60% on return on investments. So we're gonna talk a lot about that on the end of our course, how you can scale and what you need to look for. But let's start lesson number 4. Okay. So we're gonna go to the Google. We're gonna go to your website's dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and we're gonna click on the Facebook pixel cap. So far right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new ad for our Facebook ad account. So for that, we will again go to our Facebook ad manager, and we will click on here, and then we're going to click on create, and from here we are going to create on traffic, give it a name like traffic. So this is the most important part, guys, so I need you to give your full attention, full focus in here, because this is a lot of my clients, they make mistakes. You need to know how your ad gets a lot of click-through rates, because if you get a lot of clicks on your ad and they end up coming to your website, that means your CPC, which is cents per click, is going to go down. My personal CPC is less than 1 cent. It's less than 1 cent. And these are all from United States, or all the main big countries. So let's see, let's start with this. So we're gonna go with create custom. We're gonna target all. Actually, at first we're gonna target all, but later we're gonna go do some kind of a filtering to get the best countries that will give us high traffic at a low price, and so that we can sell those on AdSense at a high price. So always the pricing fluctuations is our main goal. So we're gonna go click on browse, click on select all, and then what we're going to do is depending on our ad content, it's a lot of like a women watches a lot, friends, so we're just gonna click on women, age, do not change that, and about the detail targeting, so we're gonna put Chandler. These are all the character name of the quiz that we create. So by targeting those people who are actually interested in our quiz, we can actually have a lot of traffic. So Chandler being Rachel Green. So we actually do not have to type every time to get results. So what we can do is we can click on suggestions, put the URL, our website's information, everything is right here. Also the images that you are seeing. Hey guys, quick advice here. So when you're running ads, make sure that your click-through rate is more than 15% and your CPC is less than 3 cents. I'm going to give you a lot of examples of all the ads that I've created, the winning ads actually. So how do you know that your ad that you created is a winning ad? First of all, people will tag other people or their friends to take the quiz on the comment section. Make sure to follow the comment section of your ad. How people are going to react, what suggestions the people are giving. For example, one time I was running an ad for Mexico, and there were some information on the quiz are wrong. For example, where do the tequila come from? So it comes from a specific fruit. I didn't know that, and the person that made the quiz, he also didn't know that. So it was a wrong answer. So the people on the quiz ad there that are commenting, hey, this question is wrong. So I went to our website, we edited it, and it was good to go, and that post went viral. At the end of the day, make sure that the post that you create is a really high quality post that people will click and land on your website. Thank you. And this is the last lesson of our how to create the effective ads. You have seen all the images of the ad that I presented. Make sure to check again how your ad is working. It's just a lot of testing and rewriting. Make sure that your click-through rate is more than 15%. Thank you. Now let's go to the next lesson.